Hey guys, what's up, people? What's up? Long time no see. How's everyone doing? Hi Shizuka, hi Abhinav, hi Ramleelan Prajapati. Welcome to the session. Hi Devapita, Arey, long time now. How you doing? Yes, I do remember you. Hi Nishu, what's up? Hi Advika, hi Kushi, what's up, guys? How can I forget you people? Yeah? Hi Bhargavi, long time people. It's been almost a month since I've come live, so yes, I'm feeling good. How are you people doing? All good? How are your preparations going? How's everyone, people? How's life? Tell me everything. Hi, Raman. Exams are going on. Oh, is it? Last exam tomorrow. All the best. All the best. Congratulations. I'm good. I'm good. How are you guys doing? ICC is scary, Manaswini. I understand. I totally understand. I'm with you. I'm with you on that. I am good. I'm good, guys. How are you guys doing? Actually, to be frank, I'm not feeling so well. I'm sick from Sunday. I have some sort of viral infection, I guess. So I'm kind of sick, but I'm also kind of fine. So I'm not that sick. I'm not that sick that I'm bedridden, but I'm fine. Yes, Devpita, do let me know. Just send me your mail. I haven't checked a mail in a long time, so please send me the mail. I'll definitely check it out. Hi, I'm good. How are you guys doing? Hi, Shizuka ji. What's up? So my physics exam went well. Is it awesome, Bhargavi? Awesome. Good to hear that. Keep it up. Keep it up. I'm hoping that your exams go out well, and then you guys come on top. With flying colors and all that. That's what I'm hoping. Yes. Hi, Arjun. Hi, Arun. Hi, guys. Welcome to the session. So, people, today we will be doing the second session of radioactivity. This is going to be for ICC 10th. This is the last chapter. There's only a few more topics left out. So, this is going to be the second session of this last chapter. I know it's a little late, but you know that your exams are long way ahead. So, there's no need to worry. There's no need to panic. We'll be doing it on time. And as you guys already know, we have done the Sprint X series of this particular chapter and all the other chapters. So please make sure that you check that out as well. So welcome to the session. My name is Anoop, and this is Vedantu, people. And today we'll be doing the topics isotopes, isobars, and isotones, which is a very, very, very simple topic. So we'll do that first. We'll do the topics first. But before we get into the topic, guys, we have a backtrack round. So all those who were there in the last session, you're going to be super happy about it because we're going to have some quiz questions based on the last session. So get ready for that, and then we will move on to the topic. Then again, we'll come back to the quiz of today's topic, right? So excited, people. As last week was your science exam, how did you do? Yo, is it awesome, Naman? That will be amazing. So, people, in the last session, we talked about structure of atom and nucleus, which again is a very simple topic because you've already studied about this in your chemistry. Today we'll be doing about isotopes, isobars, and isotones, which again is a very easy topic. But again, we have 6 sessions in total for this chapter, so we have a lot more to do. Radioactivity will be coming out by this week. Then we have properties of alpha, beta, and gamma rays, uses of radioactivity, source of harmful radiations, harmful effect of radiations, and safety precautions while using nuclear energy. So these are the topics. So people, this was your homework in the last question. By the way, people, the question was this: which are the constituents of an atom? So in an atom, what are the subatomic particles that is there? In other words, that's what they're asking. You know it, guys. The electrons, which are negatively charged, the protons, which are positively charged, and the neutrons, which are neutral in nature. So that is what is the answer. Now with that said, people, let's quickly join the Mentimeter. Quickly, www.mentee.com. You know the drill, people. Go to the website, enter the code 3157806. Sorry, 860 860, and join the quiz. Come on. Is it? Are awesome, Sirange? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good to know. Good to know. Tomorrow is your physics exam. All the best, all the best. Rocket, rocket. Doesn't I know, Manasvi. This looks more like a chemistry topic, but it comes under physics. Radioactivity comes under physics. What is meant by damping? Damping is more like what to say? It's like uh, reducing by by applying a sort of force or something, by damping, like trying to reduce it by applying a resistive force. That is what is called as damping. But in what context are you asking? Please let me know that also, huh? Because again, different things have different meanings in different contexts. So let me know what context you're talking about, right? So yeah, let me know, guys. Come on, quickly join the Mentimeter, people. The code is 3157860. That is the code. Once you're in, let me know in the chat box that you're in so that we can begin, right? So 11, if you guys are already in, all those who are here, I want you to be here as well. Like transfer yourself, teleportation, teleport yourself to the Mentimeter. Quickly. All right. So yeah, I'm guessing pretty much all of you guys are here. So I'm going to start, people. So the first couple of questions are going to be based on what we did in the last session, which is going to be very easy. So quickly do that, people. I'm going to go ahead and start the very first question of 7 questions that I have in store for you, people. So the first question is this: the total number of nucleons in a nucleus is called as what? Atomic number, mass number, nucleon number, or none of the above. The total number of nucleons in a nucleus is called as what? Atomic number, mass number, nucleon number, or none of the above. 18 seconds to go, people. Go ahead and answer this. This is a very simple question, guys. Come on. What is the surprise that is coming up? If I tell it, then how will it be a surprise anymore? Huh? If I tell it, how will it be a surprise anymore? Then it's just words. It's a surprise. It will come out as a surprise. Yeah, Renu, that's what I'm talking about. I know, teleport yourself. 12 of you guys were able to give the right answer. That is a good start, guys. But still a lot of confusion. Now, first of all, what are nucleons? The protons and neutrons together present inside the nucleus is what is called as nucleons. The protons and the neutrons. So when you add up the protons and neutrons, that will give you the mass number, which is generally represented as capital letter A. So that is how you represent it, and this gives you the mass number itself. It's okay for all those who got it wrong. That's how you learn. So you made a mistake, now you learn from that. So it's basically called as a mass number, which is nothing but a combination of your protons and neutrons together, which makes up your nucleons because they are present inside the nucleus, right? So here is your first question. Naman, Anoop, Anand Baba. Anupanand Baba. Oh, just like Arisa, what is that? Janu sir and all. Yeah, same thing. Maybe I'm also Baba now. Anyways, Mohit, Swayam, Aditi. I don't get Corona. Oh, Corona's back. What's up? Shizuka, Tweeto, Leo, Abhisur's fan, Asada, Nishu, and Bhargavi. High five to you, you know, awesomely well done, guys. Good start. That is a really close leaderboard, though. Moving on to the second question, then get ready for this one, people. Yet another easy question. It's not going to be complicated at all. So I'm going to go ahead and start this question in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and answer this one as well, guys. Come on. All those who have just joined right now, quickly join the Mentimeter. The code is 3157860. So quickly join, guys. Here's the question. The atom is specified by the symbol as shown in the figure. What is A and Z? So the element is X. So that is the name of the element or the symbol of the element. What does A and Z represent? Is it A, the mass number, and Z, the atomic number? A, the atomic number, and Z, the mass number? A, the atomic number, either 1 or 2, or none of the above. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. I know it's an easy question. There's another easy question. Awesome, guys. Beautiful. That is absolutely spectacular. You guys all deserve a high five for that. That is absolutely wonderful, guys. I was not expecting that. I knew that a couple of guys would go wrong, but that's only 2 people out of the whole class who got it wrong. That is simply spectacular. Yes, definitely. A is the mass number and Z is your atomic number. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Moving on to your leaderboards. Let's check it out. I don't think there'll be much change because everyone got it right. So I believe it's going to be the same. It's all about how fast you answered right now because pretty much all of you guys got the right answer. So I'm guessing Naman is still going to stay on top. Okay, Naman and Mohit were the fastest to answer. Basically at the same time, both of them answered. Then we have Swayam, Aditi, Shubhi, Baiju students, good to know that. Then it's Corona, then it's Leo, Shizuka, Bhargavi, and Nishu. Awesome, guys, awesome. I think there was only a small change in the leaderboard, but it's pretty much the same. Moving on to the third question, yet another easy question. All those who have just joined it right now, people, quickly join the Mentimeter. All you have to do is this. Log into www.mentee.com, menti.com, and enter the code 3157860. Right? Third question. I'm going to go ahead and start this one as well. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Come on. Here, another easy question. It's not going to be complicated at all. What is the atomic number of helium? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 8? What is the atomic number of helium? Come on, guys. This though you should know it by heart. By heart. You should know it by heart. Come on. 15 more seconds. Come on. What is the atomic number of helium? I'm pretty sure that all of you guys have an idea of what your periodic table looks like by now. So go ahead and answer this one. What is the atomic number of helium? Laddu, I know, right? This is like all of these are Laddu. The first three questions were all Laddu questions itself. 17 this time, one of each going with option number one and three apparently. However, the right answer is two people because the atomic number of hydrogen is one, and the second element in the periodic table is helium, which has an atomic number of two and mass number of four. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Congratulations to all those who got it right. It's all right to get it wrong. Again, you're learning from these mistakes. So remember these mistakes and don't repeat in your exams. That's the whole point of it, right? So here is your leaderboard once again at the end of that question. I don't think there's going to be any change. Is there? Not really. Okay, Liu goes up one position. Everyone else as still is holding on to that position itself. Naman, Swayam. Swayam was the faster one, so congratulations, buddy. Then it's Aditi, Shubhi, Liu, Coronavirus, Shizuka, Bhargavi, Nishu, and Kushi as well. Welcome to the leaderboard, Kushi. Absolutely wonderful people. Now that we have done the first part of your quiz time, let's get back into the topic. Let's do some quiz. Let's do the topic first, and then again we'll come back to the quiz. So do not log out. Do not log out. Stay there. Keep that tab open. Minimize that tab for now. We'll come back to the quiz later, but first let's do the topic. It's not going to take much time. It's a very small topic. Hardly it's going to take me 15 minutes, not more than that. So we'll do that. We'll do the topic first, and then again we'll come back to the question, right? So shall we begin, people? Shall we take up the topic for today? Ready? Shall we? In the chat box. Excited? Easy topic now. So 10-15 minutes is all it's going to take for me to complete the topic. So get ready for that. Once we finish out the topic, again we'll come back to the quiz. So do not log out. Like I told you, do not log out just yet. We'll come back to the topic later, right? So yes, isotopes, isobars, and isotones. What are they? Let me tell you this one by one. Let's do it one by one. First, let's start with isotopes. What are isotopes? Isotopes are basically the atoms of same element which has same atomic number but has different mass number. Now, what do I mean by that? Look at this, guys. There are two atoms of carbon, right? And you see that here the atomic mass of carbon or the mass number of carbon is given as 12, whereas here the mass number of carbon is given as 13. But if you look carefully, you can see that Z, which is nothing but the atomic number, is 6 for both of them, and both are from the same element. They're both of the same element. They're both from the same element, but the atoms of both of them have different mass number. They have different mass number. That is what is called as an isotope. Now you have several such isotopes in nature. One of them is obviously carbon. You also have lots of others. I'll give you some of the examples. But firstly, let's take down the definition of it. So if you're asked in your exams, how do you define isotope? Isotopes are atoms of the same element. First of all, you have to mention that it's of the same element, because obviously you cannot have two different elements with same atomic number. That is not possible, right? For a particular element, the atomic number is going to be for that alone. It's unique for every single element. So the atomic number would be the same. It's of two different atoms, same element, same atomic number, but the mass number is different for them. So in other words, Z is same, but A is different. A is going to be different for both of those atoms. That is what is called as an isotope, right? So let's look into some of the examples of this. One of them is hydrogen, which there are three isotopes of hydrogen. One is hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, which is also called as deuterium, and then we have tritium, which is hydrogen 3. Now all of these are basically, again, if you look at the atomic number, it's the same. They all have the same atomic number, but the mass number is different. If you look carefully, you see this in the first one, which is called as a protium. This is actually called as protium, which is basically which has a mass number of 1, which is called as protium. It has only one proton. But in the second one, which is nothing but tritium, you can see that it has one proton and one neutron as well. So because of this, the mass number becomes 2. Whereas tritium has 2 neutrons and 1 proton, and because of that, the mass number becomes 3. Because remember this, guys, mass number is basically what? It is the addition of the protons and neutrons present inside the nucleus. In other words, the sum of the nucleons, that is what is your mass number. So you see this, that the atomic number is the same, but the mass number is it's different for all the three. Now again, guys, these are found in different places. Like for example, protium is one of the most common kind of hydrogen atom that you can see. It's about 90 to 70% is present around the nuclear, around the universe, and around the world itself is protium. Deuterium is something which you can find in the ocean, like deep down the ocean, in the lower parts of the ocean. You can find that. Tritium is something which you can find in groundwater. So again, you can find it in different places, but ultimately they're all having same atomic number but different mass number. Right? Is it clear? Yes. Clear, people? Yes. That's all. Clear? All right. Next thing is nothing but another example for the same again is carbon. Now carbon has three isotopes. You have carbon 12, carbon 13, and carbon 14. So carbon 12 again is the normal, the common kind of carbon that you have. It has 6 protons, 6 neutrons in the nucleus, and hence the mass number is 12. Carbon 13 on the other hand has 6 protons but 7 neutrons. It has more number of neutrons than protons, and because of that the mass number becomes 13. Carbon 14, which is radioactive in nature, which is generally used for carbon dating and all of that, is radioactive in nature. It is not a stable form of carbon. That has 6 protons but 8 neutrons. And here's the thing is, one thing you have to remember is this. Generally what you notice in the nature is that if you have more number of neutrons than protons, it's generally very unstable, and generally they are also very radioactive as well. So like in the case of carbon 14 also, you can clearly see that the number of neutrons is greater than the number of protons. So it's kind of radioactive in comparison to other two. It is kind of unstable in nature as well. So that makes the mass number to be 14. So this is another isotope of carbon. Another example for the same is chlorine. So you have chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. So if you look at the number of protons and neutrons, you have 17 protons and 18 neutrons. And in the case of chlorine 37, 17 protons but 20 neutrons. But if you compare, again, generally it's like that, guys. But in the case of this one, right, even though the number of neutrons are more than the number of protons, in this case, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37, both these are almost stable. They're stable. But chlorine 36 is very radioactive. So again, it's not always the case. It's not always the case. Sometimes, because chemistry is weird in that sense. So yeah, you have 35, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Both these are stable, but the one in between, chlorine 36, is kind of unstable. Now again, the whole point of this, people, you see that the number of protons, in other words, the atomic number is the same because that is the number of protons, but the atomic mass is different because the number of neutrons are differing in both of these atoms. Right? Is it clear, people? Hi Ashmi, what's up? Long time now. Is it Avan? All right. Is it clear, people? Yeah, there are a lot of exceptions in chemistry, and this is no, you can't expect, there is no exception in this also. There are a lot of exceptions in chemistry, and this is one of them, right? Clear, people? All right. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the kind of isotopes that you generally find in nature. See, guys, some of them are stable, like the one that I just talked about. Few of them are stable, but few of them are unstable in nature. So when you are talking about a stable isotope, the number of protons and the number of neutrons is equal. Is equal. So whatever is the number of protons that you have, if that is equal to the number of neutrons that you have, that is a stable isotope. But unstable isotopes, which are generally radioactive in nature, have either their number of neutrons will be far more greater than the number of protons. Like example, uranium 235 and uranium 238. Both of these are unstable, which are very radioactive, used in producing nuclear power and all that. Why? Because of the fact that they are unstable isotopes. They have more number of neutrons in comparison to protons, and that is why they are, radioactive decay happens to all of these atoms, right? Exactly. Exception is another name for chemistry. That is actually correct. Alright, okay, so that ends the first topic, which is nothing but isotopes, right? Is it clear so far, you? All good? Give me a oh yeah in the chat box if you have understood everything so far and you're enjoying the session. Hit that like button also, people. Yeah, I forgot to say that. Hit that like button. What are you doing, huh? Alright, guys. What is the weightage of this chapter? Not many questions will be asked from this chapter. It's actually, in terms of weightage, it's actually pretty less. So don't worry too much about it. But at the same time, don't ignore it also. Even though you have options, you have the options why to leave out these kind of chapters. It's actually quite simple. It's not that difficult. If you focus on few key things, the chapter is done. So don't worry. The weightage is in comparison to other chapters is less, but still is it's an easy chapter. So why do you ignore? Why do you want to ignore it? Right. The next topic I'm going to talk about, I know this is easy, right? The next one is nothing but isobars. Now, the thing about isobars is, people see, in isotopes, if you remember, the atomic number was the same, but the mass number was different. In isobars, the number of, the atomic number is different, but the atomic mass is going to be same. Just the opposites. In the first one, in isotopes, the atomic number was different and the same. Sorry, the atomic number was the same, but the mass number was different. Here, it is atoms of different elements, atoms of different element having different atomic numbers, but the same mass number. So that means the number of protons and neutrons, or the nucleons in general, will be the same, but then again it'll have number of the number of protons will be different. So number of protons will be different, so but the number of nucleons in total will be the same in the case of isobars. Alright, that is the difference between isotopes and isobars. So once again guys, in isotopes, atomic number is same, the mass number is different. In isobars, the atomic number is different, but atomic mass would be same. In other words, A is going to be same. That's what I'm trying to help you understand. A lot of examples, again, you can talk about sodium and magnesium. Both of them, see, the atomic number of sodium is 11, atomic number of magnesium is 12, but the mass number of both sodium and magnesium is 23. So mass number is same, because of that they are called as isobars. Another example can be argon, potassium and calcium. In all the three, again, they're very close. Even in the periodic table, they're very close to each other, because the atomic number, you can see, is 18, 19 and 20, but the atomic mass for all the three elements is 40. So these kind of elements, two different atoms of two different elements, different atomic number but same mass number, are called as isobars. Right? Exactly. Yes, calcium, argon, sodium and magnesium, all of these are isobars because they have same atomic mass but different atomic number. Right guys? The last one, people, the last one, that's it. The topic is almost done. I think I told you 15 minutes, it hardly took me 10 minutes. Isotones. In isotones, people, here's the difference. In isotones, the number of protons is different. So in the nucleus, the number of protons is different. In other words, the atomic mass is different, but then the number of neutrons are same. The number of neutrons will be the same, but the number of protons will be different. So what I'm trying to say is this: Z is different. Z will be different in this case. Alright? But when you calculate A minus Z, which is the atomic mass minus the atomic number, that is, the atomic mass is what? Protons plus neutrons, and Z is the number of protons. So when you subtract this, what you will get? You will get the number of neutrons. So this will be the same for two different atoms of two different elements. The number of protons will be different, but the number of neutrons will be the same. Those are called as isotones. Those are called as isotones. Once again, in your exams, if you're asked to define it, the atoms having different number of protons but same number of neutrons, and that is basically Z is different. Z and A is also different, that is atomic mass is also different, the atomic number is also different, but A minus Z, which will give you the number of neutrons, will be the same in the case of isotones. Examples, once again, I'm not going to leave you without examples. Again, carbon and nitrogen, both of them have different number of protons. See, 6 protons, 7 protons, that is nothing but your atomic number in both of them is different. The number of electrons are also different. Basically, the number of electrons and number of protons will be the same. But then, the neutrons, which, how do you get it? Basically, you subtract the atomic mass. In the case of carbon, 14 minus 6, which is nothing but 8. So the number of neutrons is the same in both the cases, or in both the atoms. Those are called as isotones. Right, people? Is it clear? So much laughing is going on. What happened now? What happened? Is it clear? Are you able to understand? All I see is that emoticon of laughing out loud. Are you able to understand, or are you laughing at the topic? What is happening? Yes, da. Yes, now it has used us. Yes, Preet, tell me what's your doubt. Guys, please type out your doubts also. Send it to me. I'll try to clear it. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Now, before I get into the quiz questions, you know the drill. For all those, some of you guys already know about it. In fact, most of you guys already know about it. For all those who are new to the session and want to have such sessions every single day on an amazing platform, click on the link that is given in the description as well as in the pinned comment section. This link will take you to the Vedantu Pro subscription course. I'll show you how to do it, guys. And this Vedantu Pro subscription course is our way of reaching out to you guys to help you guys do your best in your exams. First of all, guys, the course has unlimited live session. You can take how many of a number of live sessions you want, and all those sessions will be fun filled because you can talk to the teacher just like this one. You can talk to your friends. It will be just like a normal regular classroom that you have in your schools. And yes, you will have quizzes just like the Mentimeter. You'll have quizzes in every single session, and those quizzes will also give you an opportunity to understand what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths, and help you to compete with the rest of the world and see how good can you really get in that particular topic. And yes, because all these sessions are live, every single session will be recorded, and those recorded sessions, while watching those sessions, you can still take the quiz while watching them, still check out the leaderboards while watching the replay as well. And that, my friends, is the magic of technology. So while watching the sessions also, you can check out the replays and check out the leaderboards and make yourself better every single day. And yes, you can download all the premium content, every single handwritten note, whatever that is needed for you guys to succeed. All of that will be available to you without a doubt. Our support team, teachers, everything will be available to you. You'll have Telegram groups to help clear all your doubts. You will have in-class doubt solving with the help of the class teachers as well, because every single session you will not just have one teacher to help you clear your doubts, but with the master teacher you'll also have the class teacher to clear every single doubt of yours. All of your doubts will be solved instantly inside the session itself. And yes, for all those who are worried about your tests and assignments, for your preparations for your finals, you're looking around for your past year question papers and all that, don't have to go anywhere. You have some amazing tests, monthly test, yearly test. All of those will be available, and the questions that are chosen in those tests are chosen from the best sources like your Olympiads, from your past year question papers, from your sample papers. So it will definitely test you and help you to understand how good you are, or what are the weaknesses, which will help you to understand what are the pain points, and you can focus on those topics alone. And with all of these, if you have time, we have 5,000 plus micro courses and crash courses to choose from. So whatever course you're interested in, you can check it out and basically enroll into those courses. So what you have to do is very simple, guys. I'll just show you what you have to do. Basically, click on, you guys are already watching the video, so go to YouTube first, go to Vedantu 9th and 10th. Okay, you can see Janu sir's session going on right now. So yeah, let me just okay, wait, let me just go to the channel and I'll show you how it works. Give me 1 second, people. Yes, so without the 9th and 10th English. So yeah, my sessions are going on right now. It's weird to see myself, but yes. So what you do is click on subscribe to Vedantu Pro right now. Once you click on the link, people, it'll take you to this page where you can check out, check out the grade, which grade are you in. So once you click on that grade, people, I'm just going to close this. I don't want any disturbance. So once you click on that link, they'll ask you which board do you belong to. Let's say an ICSE. Once you click on that, all of the information will be available to you. You can check out all the teachers, Abhishek sir, Priyam sir, Amritanand sir, all of the teachers will be here. You can check out all the results that happened last year. Students scoring 98%, 98 point, and 97.8%. All of the results, everything, testimonies, all of that will be available. So you can click on this. This is where you have to click and basically proceed to pay. So here's the thing, guys. If you use my coupon code AMEPRO, you will get a discount of about 1,000 up to 1,500 rupees is what you have. So basically 50% off on all of the courses that is going on right now. 50% off on all the courses. That means that for the 1 month program, which is about 2,699, if you use the coupon code AMEPRO, which is my coupon code, you get a flat 50% discount and the price drops down to 1,349 rupees. So 1,350 rupees in other words. So that means that in 1 month duration, you have attended about 200 sessions, because 8 sessions, 8 subjects. So in 1 month, you have attended about 200 sessions. Per session, you'll be paying about 6.7 rupees. So yes, guys. So that is the link. The link is given in the description as well as in the pinned comment section. Coupon code is AME Pro to avail a 50% discount. Check it out. The code, the coupon is valid only for a couple of days. That 50% offer is valid only for a couple of days. So make sure that you check it out before that offer ends. So with that said, people, let's get back into the Q&A panels. I mean, the quiz questions. So get back into the Mentimeter once again. All those who have left the Mentimeter, quickly join back. The code is 3157860. Once you're in, let me know in the chat box so we can begin. Yeah. Go ahead, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Quickly. Oh, is it? Yeah, Ashmi, for sure. Why not? Is it? I know, Ramit. See, that is the kind of question. See, I did not make up those questions, Ramit. Those questions were asked in your board exams. So imagine what kind of questions you can expect in your boards. That was the whole point of sprint text, to give you an idea, to help you get rid of that fear. To help you get rid of that fear, because that is the kind of questions that they're going to ask you in your boards, because they also know that you're already stressed out. You have so many different chapters, so many topics. They also know that, so they're not going to ask you some IIT level questions and all. So relax yourself and focus on the basics. Once you make your foundation strong, all these questions that is there in your boards, once you start preparing, you'll understand that it's not like some IIT level questions. It's aram se you can actually solve and get 90% and above. All right. So guys, quickly join the Mentimeter now. Once again, the code is 315757860. Teleport yourself. All those are here right now. Quickly join the Mentimeter. The code is what you have to do is very simple, people. All those who have just joined it right now, www.mentee.com, menti.com is the website name. Once you enter into that website, they'll ask you for a code. The code for today is 3157860. Every day it will be different codes. Today's code is this one. Once you enter, you can join the quiz. Right, people? I know these are all Laddu questions only. Snoop sir, Anoop sir calls you Snoop sir. Is it? In fact, even Google calls me Snoop. Every time I type my own name Anoop, it comes out as Snoop. So yeah, it's okay. I'm used to it now. Alright, so I'm gonna start the quiz, people, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Here's the fourth question, guys. We have a couple of questions left. Here's the first one. Atoms of different elements having same mass number but different atomic number is what? Isotopes, isobars, isotones, or none of the above. Different elements, two different atoms, two different elements, same mass number but different atomic number. What are they called as? Isotopes, isobars, isotones, none of the above. 10 seconds. Let's go. Sure, Amit. Don't worry. I'll put up the, I'll put up the PDFs. It's not. I have not done it in a long time, so I'll just put it up. Don't worry. All right. It's all right, Arch. It's all right. Pre-boards is just your practice done. It's all right. Don't worry. Even if it's bad, it does not. Just because you did bad in your pre-boards does not mean that your boards also will go bad. In fact, your pre-boards is made such a way that it's a little harder than your boards, so you understand. It's like, so when you really do something difficult, it'll be much more easier when you come in your boards. So don't worry too much about it. Don't take it to your heart. Focus on your boards right now. That's all. Don't forget all of that. It's already done. Forget that. Focus on your boards right now, right? 13 of you guys got the right answer. Not bad, people. I mean, today's quiz is going really well. Today's quiz is going really well. I mean, 2 of you guys are getting wrong answer in every single question. So that is really amazing, guys. But yes, the right answer is definitely isobars. Isobars are those which have same mass number but different atomic number. So here's the thing, guys. Naman was the fastest to answer, followed by Aditi, followed by Shubi, Corona, Shizuka, Bhargavi, Kushi, Nishu, Swayam, and Taiba. Welcome to the leaderboard, Taiba. Congratulations, beautifully done. Moving on to the 5th question, I believe. Is that the 5th question? I'm not really sure. Yeah, 5th question, guys. I'm going to start the quiz in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. Is it? No. All right. Tell me now. What is your question? Let me know. Here we will. Hi Kirti, what's up, da? No. I didn't see your messages. I thought you were not here. Welcome, Kirti. How are you doing? So yeah, people. Here's another one. Identify the isotopes among the following. Which of these are the isotopes? So you have H1, H2, H3, C12, C13, C14, Cl35, chlorine 35, chlorine 37, or all of the above. Which of these are the isotopes? All right. Is it A? Okay, A, B, C, or D. Why is it put at a 0? It is A, B, C, or D. Go ahead, people. Come on, let me know what is the answer. Yes, Ashmi, tell me what's it on. Oh, definition of damping. You can say that it's a resistive force. The damping is nothing but a resistive force that is that is applied on a body in order to reduce the vibration or to reduce the movement. You can call it like that, all right? But yeah, don't take my exact words for it. Look up for the definition, exact definition. What are the terms that they use? But these are the key words. But how do you put in a statement? Just look for that also, all right? Don't take my word for it in exams, because some teachers are very strict about the rules. They want the exact definition that is given in your textbook and all that. So please look into that also. So when you prepare for your board exams, obviously right now you have to take more care about how the teachers perceive your answers. So you have to think about that also. Anyways, 11 of you guys were able to give the right answer. 3, 3, 2. I mean, I think I jinxed it. I was too happy all this while. Because of that, you guys gave me a slap back. Interesting. But nonetheless, guys, 11 is a very good number. Yes, the right answer is option number D. It is all the other, guys, because you look at this. Look at the question. All of those have the same atomic number but different mass number. So they are all isotopes. All of the three were isotopes itself. Same atomic number but different mass number in all the three. That's why option number D would be the right answer, right? So for chlorine also was the same. For carbon also, I believe. Then we also have one. Which was the third one? Let me just go back to that. What was the other option that we had? Okay, no, I went too back. Okay, I'll come back to that question later. Anyways, I'll come back to that question later. Anyways, so yeah, guys, here's your leaderboard, by the way. Okay, so unfortunately, Shubhi, Corona, Nishu, and Swayam got the wrong answer, and because of that, the leaderboard has shifted a little. Finally, Naman still on the top. Aditi, Shizuka, Kushi, Bhargavi, Shubhi, Corona, Liu, and Nishu and Swayam. Awesome, guys, awesome. Keep up the good work. Absolutely spectacular. Moving on to the second last question. This is going to be an easy one, all right? So focus, read the question carefully, and then answer. Here's the question. Go ahead and answer this one. All right, the question is, choose the correct statement with respect to isotopes. Choose the correct statement with respect to isotopes. Isotopes are chemically same but physically different. Two or more forms of same element element of both A and B or neither A or B. Which is the correct one? Isotopes are chemically same but physically different. Two or more forms of same element, both A and B, or neither A or B. So in my pre-board there was a question from current university that was how the EMF of a cell is found directly. EMF of a cell is the value that is given on the cell. Now, whatever the value is given on the cell, or whatever the voltage that is given on the cell, that is the EMF. So any cell that you use before you plug in, before the laws of before you start using it, the initial value, the initial voltage that it has, that is the EMF. So yeah, if you just look at the value, whatever it is it 1.5 volt or 5 volt battery, that is the EMF of that cell. All right, so that is how you find out the EMF. That's all. All right. Anyways, yes. 12 of you guys were able to get the right answer. Not bad, people. Back on top. Yes. 2 of you guys went with option number A alone. 1 went with option number B. But yes, guys, it's the same. So yes, because they have the same atomic number, chemically they are same, but physically they're different. Because the mass number is different. So physically they're different, but chemically they're same. And yes, it is of the same elements, but has different mass numbers. So yes, the right answer would be option number C in this case. Congratulations, you're smart enough to understand my deception. Good to know. Yes, people, here is your leaderboard once again. Naman still on top, followed by Aditi, followed by Shizuka. Bhargavi and Liu unfortunately chose the wrong answer, and because of that, Bhargavi goes down. Kushi, Corona goes up. Shubhi, Bhargavi, Nishu, Liu, and Taiba. Congratulations. Congratulations. Well done. Keep up the good work. Last question, people. The one last question that is left out to finish it off with a bang. I want 100% answer for this one, but it's going to be a little, little over the top. The question is this. Which of the following is the radioisotope in each pair? Right, or radioactive isotope in each of these pair. So you have Cl12, Cl14, P30, that is phosphorus 30, phosphorus 32, chlorine 39, and chlorine 40. Which of these are radioisotopes? Is it options are Cl14, P32, Cl40, chlorine 12, phosphorus 32, and chlorine 40, chlorine 12, phosphorus 30. It's too small. I can't read it. Chlorine 39, or is it option number D? Chlorine 12, phosphorus 30, and Cl 40. Whoa! I wasn't expecting this, people. I really wasn't expecting this. That just blew my mind. Okay, tell me this. How many of you guys chose option number A because you guys were too lazy to read the question and just went with it? Tell me the truth. How many of us went with option A just for that reason, that you were too lazy to read the question, you were too lazy to think about it, so you directly went with option number A? I know, I know. At least one will be there. Tell me the truth, people. God will bless you if you tell the right, tell the truth. Or else that's all. Kushi and Lalit also. And even Sirangi also. Awesome, awesome. But yes, guys, congratulations. Nonetheless, you guys are lucky, but yes, the right answer in that case. Because the reason why that is all those three are the right answers, because in all those cases, the number of neutrons are more than the number of protons. The number of neutrons are more than the number of protons, and that is why they are unstable, and that's why they are all radio. You can say that they undergo radioactive decay. That's all right? So that is the answer, guys. Here's your final leaderboard as well to sum it all up. I believe Naman is the winner for today. Naman is like, I don't know, he's challenging all 10 standard students. Where are all the 10 standard students? Sharam karo, Sharam. Naman is the answer for today's quiz. Absolutely wonderful, buddy. Keep up the good work. Followed by Aditi, followed by Shizuka, then it's Kushi, then is Baiju student. All I can see is that. Then it's Bhargavi. Then it's Corona. Before that, it's someone else also, but I can't read the name. Sorry, da. Leo, and then it's Abhijay. Awesome, guys. All those who attended the quiz today, absolutely wonderful, wonderful people. So that's all. That's all for today. Sorry, guys. My throat is really bad. So here's your homework for today, people. Let me know what is the answer in the comment section. The question is this: what are isobars? Give one example of an isobar as well. Let me know what is the answer in the comment section. Or if you want, you can put down the answer over here itself. That's it for today, people. Do not forget to hit that link, enroll to the course. Coupon code is EMEPRO to avail the discount. And yes, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon as well, and get notified of all the future sessions. So that's it from my side. Let me know if whatever doubts you have, we'll try to clear it up. Go ahead, people. Any doubts? Any doubts that you have, please do let me know. Is it clear? All good. I know easy questions, but still look at the leaderboard. A 9th standard student. Naman, you should start flexing. I'm telling you, you should start flexing. Like, flex your biceps and all. Anyways, that I got a chance. Ade, KTG, what are you saying? Thanks, da, thank you. It's been a long time. I know it's been almost a month since I've come live. We were busy with the VIP series. No, all these days we were going with not the VIP series. Sorry, the Sprintex and VIP series, both Sprintex and VIP. So now the Sprintex for 9th standard will be starting soon. And then for CPC, 10th also will be there. So yeah, it's a hell of a ride. Yes, Abhishek, yes, I do teach for CBSE. Sing a song now. Yeah. My throat is already gone. You want me to sing a song also? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world, so I like a diamond in the sky. That's all. Is it, Sharangi? How was it, by the way? How was your session? How was it? Thank you, Kashiji. Yes, I do teach CBSE, CBSE 9th and 10th. 14th March. Oh, nice, Naman. Send me some this thing. Like, I can't come to Gurgaon to if I come there, I'll have to I have to stay in quarantine. 14 days I have to stay in quarantine and all. So rather than that, Swiggy is there. I'll give you my address. Order something. It's okay. I'm ready to eat. Anything that is non-veg is fine. Veg, so don't even bother. It's okay. Thank you, Liutza. I hope you enjoyed it. That's a song, Dad. That's a song. What do you say? That is what I learned as a song. I don't know about you guys, but that is the first song that I learned. Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And that song I'll never forget. Sure, Nama, sure. Thank you, Rishu. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, guys. So, yeah, people, thank you for joining. I'll see you guys in the next one. My throat is like completely gone, so I'll go rest for some time. Thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. If you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to me on this email ID, anoop.manohar@vedantu.com. Please expect a delay. I might not be able to answer on this very same day, but yes, I'll definitely take some time and try to answer it. Whenever I get time, I try to answer to your email. So please take it down if you want it. So yeah, people, thank you for joining. Catch you guys later. You guys also take care of yourself. All the best for your exams. Don't worry about your pre-boards. The pre-boards are already done. For all those, it's already done. Forget about this pre-boards right now. Focus on your boards. It's coming soon. You have a lot of time. You have a lot of time. You can actually complete at least 2 or 3 cycles of revision every single month. So you have another 3 more months to go. So make use of that time and rock it. All right. Thank you, Ligitsa. Thank you. Bye, guys. See you all in the next one. See you guys in the next session. Take care of yourself. Until the next time, this is Anoop signing off for the day. Bye, guys. Take care. Enjoy.